No, what? For real?
Oh!
Wings, 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 wings.
All right, the whole team is over there, and only Uzi actually knows what we're doing, and it's a complete surprise for Aaron. Shh. Almost fell.
No, what? For real? What is that? We can't do that.
Why?
Pyramid of skateboards? What are you doing that?
Literally, I just wanted to see what Aaron thought of it and does with it.
Who made it? Was it you?
It was Uzi. Yeah, and Aussie Dan too. All the bad parts of this build are from Uzi, and all the best parts are from Aussie. That is not true. It might be a 3-person board though, because I think
Luke, drop in.
2 people got to be on the sides and then one right.
The mini ramp? Let's go, mall grab. Luke, you got this? First try.
Wait, you're really gonna go straight for the drop in?
Where do you want to go? Or ride down a
Like
couple
ride down a
obstacles?
bank or something?
Okay.
I don't know. Just get the hang of it.
We're not daredevils. Well, one thing I've noticed about it already, once you're on it, you can't turn. You can't do anything.
Wait, really?
Yes. What, you thought you were going to be able to turn?
You can kick turn right here. Oh, come on! I can nearly guarantee that this can be shoveted. My foot is powering back up. Can I ride down a bank?
Yeah.
That's all I wanted to do with it.
Wow. Do you see that? Mall grab it up the bank. Oh, you need me to help you? Here we go. Grab. Let's go.
You got it. There you go, Uzi hit the ramp. My foot's at about 10%. I don't think I'm ready for the jump. Ow. Oh, there we go, got it. Oh no! He went straight to his bad foot.
It's all right. It's all right. See the turning, right? All right, should I shove it in?
Yeah. Yes!
Plenty of space to land.
Wow.
Kickflip?
That was so... You can jump, and I'll flip the board for you. No way.
All right, Luke. I need your help. We haven't been showing the mini ramp any love.
I know. It's like we forgot we had it.
Hold on, hold on.
Oh my god, that looks... Hold on.
This looks really cool.
Dude, that looks insane.
Wait, it looks regular. See, a goofy person on the right, a regular person on the left.
Yep.
You got it, dude.
You want one?
You guys just gotta hug each other. Yes!
Now you get on the other side.
Yeah, come on, you guys gotta do the joint drop in.
Look it. So, what's your name? Luke. you gotta be on the right board, and then Uzi, you're regular, so you gotta be on the left board.
Right here, $10.
It's kind of hard to turn.
Try the other way.
You want to go?
No, go up there, go up there.
Yes.
Yes, Uzi. Yes, Uzi.
I don't know.
Yo, that is...
Just set it. Do I trust it?
No,
I don't know.
You gotta be on the bottom.
I don't know if I trust
Luke,
this.
you gotta be on the bottom one. There you go.
Oh no.
Yes.
Because your feet get
Promo in,
You
promo.
guys just go at the same
Luke,
time.
come on.
It's like
You got it.
this is beyond this.
You got it, Luke.
Hey, I'll give you $1.
No, it'll work.
I'll give you $1.
It's gonna work.
Just act like you're dropping it normal. Okay, ready? And I'll act like
It's
I'm
gonna
dropping.
work.
Go fast and quit.
Wait, hold up. We gotta time this right.
Up.
We gotta think about how to time
Go
this.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right.
3, 2.
Wait, hold on. Not yet. I'm not ready. Come on! This is nerve-wracking. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Do it.
Yeehaw, brother. 3, 2, 1. Yes!
That was easy.
You lean back.
That That was very successful.
We got it.
You can do this, but I'll get the rock.
Okay, let's try to rock the fakie.
I don't know. Yes. If you get up there, send it.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Sorry, I keep falling off. You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Bodied! You got.
Are you good?
Dude, you got
Hey,
annihilated.
we did it though.
Are you okay?
In my view, Lucy drug king.
I know. Are you good? Someone's got to rock the fakie.
That went a lot better than like I thought. The coolest thing ever. Yeah!
You got that. You won't hang up. It's only
I love how every time there's something we don't want to do, it's when Luke is here.
no. Never.
I swear I can nose blunt
I
this.
think we can rock.
That's you.
Yeah! Oh! Yes! Troy, that was amazing.
Just when I looked over and looked at all the metal and wood, and I turned around.
Rock and roll.
That's you. It's actually not that scary.
Gabe, this is my most proud invention. It's really good. It works a lot better than. All right, who's going down the stairs?
Dude, that's sick.
Just gotta straighten him out a little bit.
Aaron, I'm serious. I think this can go down the 3 block.
But who?
Mowgli.
Mo, you got this down the 3 block. It's all about the turning because you can't turn it, you know? What are these guys doing up there?
Why is he leaning like
Come
that?
on, rookies. Yeah, sure. Here, hold my phone. Show these guys.
Yes!
Oh, just kick turn, they said. Okay.
Well, now Mowgli's got to learn how to kick turn. Do it down the 3, then the 5, then the 3 block.
Mowgli, you got it? I think you got 5 stair and 3 block. You see the kick turn though?
Yeah, I saw the kick through.
You saw how
I saw you maneuvered.
you want to do the 3?
It's all right.
I mean, I feel like you drop in from there. Even roll down the bank, you're fine. You just got to kick turn.
Mowgli didn't even do the 3. Aaron's like, you got the 5 and the 3 block? Amateur hour over here.
What do they think this is? They've never ridden a pyramid skateboard before? Like, come on.
Ridiculous. What is he doing?
Get him the bungee.
This is my favorite invention. I wish I could jump down the stairs. Why did you actually ollie?
It was pretty weak anyway.
He actually
Tried to ollie? Houston, we have a problem.
Oh, that one broke. I mean, we got more zip ties, so depends what you guys trying to do.
He's all, I tried, but it wasn't really designed very well.
Let me explain. Let me explain.
Troy
Don't listen
said,
to him. It was built perfectly, okay? Literally top of the line. It's as good as it could be.
If
Really?
I could get mine across
No.
2 2x4s, going across, going across,
What are you trying to do?
It threw your aerodynamics all off.
I'm the one sending it off the 5.
You would
I'm the one sending it off the
Okay,
5,
go get the 2x4s.
and I'll,
in his defense, I did suggest 2x4s too.
thank you.
Should we build?
Yeah.
So it broke. So we're gonna try and put some 2x4s on it real fast. Mowgli's design. Straighten it out.
Actually, Gabe's design, and I'm not taking credit. Although I did mention it before I heard Gabe mention it.
Well, I mentioned it days ago. I was waiting for you to say like, well, I thought of it in Hawaii and I didn't even think of it.
Yeah, right. Well, 2 years ago.
In my mother's womb.
What the hell are you doing? I am not an engineer.
Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks like it might actually work. It's either gonna be easier or way, way, way harder because it's not as like mobile. You know what I mean? It doesn't shift around at all.
I'm being very optimistic for it to be easier because before these were just moving around because this, look at this.
Yeah?
Look at this.
Well, this
Yeah?
This is gonna keep it stable right here. It's gonna be stabilized. So it's just gonna be going one way.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
What's going on over there? Just about to drill someone's foot in? Locked it in?
Hey, film this? Film my real quick.
When I point at something, like whatever part I point at, you have to say, okay?
Okay.
Should I
film
film your phone?
Yeah, right here. Okay, what are those?
This joke
Feet.
is so dumb.
Okay, what is this?
Tail.
What is this?
Mouth.
Beak. What is this?
Beak. Are you pointing at his eyes? Eyes.
And what is this?
His wings?
Yeah, okay, now say that over and over again.
Wings, 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 wings.
Hello?
Stupid. Okay. Wing, wing, wing.
Got him!
Definitely got me.
Embodied!
Wing, 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 wing.
Back to your regularly scheduled content.
Wing, wing, wing.
Have you done it to Uzi?
I haven't done it to Uzi.
You
He
should.
probably
That'd be a
knows.
great reaction.
Gabe has a funny joke.
You ready for this? Whenever I point to something, you have to say what it is, okay?
Okay.
What is that?
A phone.
No, okay, like in this picture, the bird.
Bird.
Okay, so what is that?
Bird.
No, what is that thing I'm pointing at?
Tail.
Okay, what is that?
Feet.
What is that?
Beak.
What is this?
Wing.
Okay, now say wing 10 times.
Wing. 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 Wing.
Hello?
Who is it?
Why are you like this?
He didn't get it. How's it going over here?
2 more actually, Mowgli.
It's actually real good. Solid. Wow. It's in there like Mega Man.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little.
We golden.
I need to just loosen the trucks.
Well? Loosen the trucks?
Yeah, did you not see it just go one?
No, you have to kick turn, dude. Kick turn. He's gonna loosen the trucks and then it's good.
You want me to grab it?
Loosening the truck is not gonna do anything.
Definitely works now.
Yep. Way safer than those zip ties. Like that, like that. Yeah. Now you're in full control.
This one's really tight.
Leave it in the comments below if this is doing anything.
Did you say let me take a breather? I didn't know
He's
he needed
scared?
to breathe.
I've never seen him scared. He totally got the 3 block. You can't early grab a pyramid. Whoa!
But I'm gonna do it right here.
Aaron says he doesn't think you can do it.
I know I can do it. I didn't say that. First of all, he's loosening the trucks that are in the middle. What does he think that's gonna do? It's doing nothing. Second of all, look at this. He fully goes off. Watch. Early grab, and then he goes and lands primo. Watch.
All right, are we ready?
Now it's a piece of perfection. Right here, first try, 20 bucks.
No!
We gotta put some wood here. Wow. Monumentous occasion. Well done. You're the first man to ever conquer a 3-stair on the skateboard pyramid.
A 5-stair.
You're the first man to ever conquer a 5-stair on the pyramid of skateboards. Well played.
I don't know, with all those plywoods. Seems pretty good.
Screws and 2x4s. 3 block? Is he going?
Who wants to try it?
No! Mowgli, no! Dude! You're the first man to ever scale a 3-block on a pyramid skateboard. Well played.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
You still got it! You got 6 under the boards underneath you. 5.
Literally, how is that possible?
I don't know. If I ever do the splits off this, I'll be done. He's done it twice. It couldn't be done. They said, with the broken tail, you can't land the pyramid of skateboards off the 3-block. Put that on your wall.
Just believe in the skater. That's all I gotta say.
Believe in yourself, kids. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's time. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.